Hello. Hello, this is my bike check. Custom 3.1 2011 sign the top. Proper team grips with reading for people OG part. With an Odyssey 2-finger brake lever, very good in all conditions, with proper bar ends. Moving on to the stem, Odyssey CFL stem, yeah, with a salt forks, and Faft tyre with my A-Nation rim, black sheep rim, double walled with A-Nation black spokes and hub. Moving on to my frame, it's a Haro 2011 frame. It's so sick. I've got a standard headset with an E-Cat spacer. I've got E-Cat Surge PC pedals, really grippy.
Knock off E-Cat on
Haro stock cranks, Haro sprocket with KMC chain and Haro sealed mid-bottom bracket. Got a Shadow Conspiracy Slim Pivotal seat with red section, as you can see. Moving on to the back, I've got E-Cat tripping rim, double wall, 2012 version with proper spokes, proper nipples, and a proper K7 male right-hand drive, and my Treco brake mechanism with exposure back shifters. That's my bike check. Check it out on the internet if you want to. Thanks for watching.